So after a while of deciding what color to put on my jacket, I decided to go with no color. And the bias tape I showed you I created a few weeks ago, I'm going to put that around my jacket. Because my jacket is mainly for casual wear, to carry my phone in my pocket around the office when I get up and walk about or walk outside for a while. So I just pin the bias tape around the whole length of my jacket, even the neck, and I'm going to sew it with a thread similar to this gold color. I know I sewed it with white early on, but I did that because when I finish the jacket, you will not be able to see the initial color I sewed with, because it will be covered with the collar or the bias tape. So I finished sewing the bias around the perimeter of the collar and the lapel with the gold string, so you can't hardly see the contrast in the jacket, because this time I've used gold instead of white. I use white for the hidden edges and hems. I'm just cutting the extra gold. Now this thread is very thin and fragile, and it will break on you a few times. Now I will sew, I think I want something at the bottom like big fringes or ruffles. I think I want big ruffles at the bottom to make it feminine, and less like a smoking jacket. I'll be back.
In September 1926, spent hand copying documents.
So here's the finished jacket. I made fringe at the bottom to give it a feminine look, because the collar is just biased, plain biased. And in the back, I have sort of split in the back of the jacket, so you can have more room to move, and it's just a bit stylish. And that's the finished jacket. Oh, whoa. 2 pockets Big enough for one of those big cell phones, ID, money, earbuds, whatever your pleasure. And thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.